The blinking red light on your Sceptre monitor is a common issue that indicates several possible problems. Understanding what this light means is crucial for effective troubleshooting. This red blinking light typically indicates one of three main categories of problems: power issues, hardware failures, or signal-related problems. This problem affects various Sceptre monitor models, including the popular E24, E27, C24, and C27 series. The issue appears across both newer and older models, suggesting it may be design-related rather than isolated manufacturing defects. Let's examine the specific hardware components that can cause this blinking red light. The power adapter is often the first culprit, as it may not be providing sufficient voltage to the monitor. Connection ports on the back of your monitor are another common source of problems. Loose HDMI, VGA, or DisplayPort connections can trigger the blinking red light when no signal is detected. Internal hardware failures are the most serious cause of the blinking red light. These include problems with capacitors on the power supply board, backlight inverter failures, and main board connectivity issues. Understanding these potential causes is the first crucial step in troubleshooting your Sceptre monitor. By identifying whether the issue is power-related, signal-related, or hardware-related, you can focus your troubleshooting efforts more effectively. The first step in troubleshooting your Sceptre monitor's blinking red light is to check the power cable for any physical damage. Next, test your monitor with a different power outlet and verify that your power adapter matches the required voltage specifications, typically 12 or 19 volts. If power isn't the issue, verify the input signal by testing different cables and connecting your monitor to a different device. If external troubleshooting doesn't work, the problem is likely internal hardware failure, most commonly failed capacitors on the power supply board. Your repair strategy should depend on your monitor's age. For monitors under 2 years, pursue warranty repair. For monitors 2 to 4 years old, consider DIY capacitor replacement if you're technically skilled. For monitors over 4 years old, replacement is often more cost-effective than repair. Remember to always start with the simplest solutions first. Check cables, test power, and verify signals before considering internal repairs or replacement.